Welcome to our fun and educational video all about spelling words with the letter N. In this video, we'll be introducing you to a variety of exciting words that begin with the letter N and show you how to spell them step by step. Let's start with an easy one. Nest. N-E-S-T. Great job! Next up, we have nose. N-O-S-E. Well done! Now, let's move on to some slightly more challenging words. November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. Excellent! Ninja. N-I-N-J-A. Keep up the good work. For our next word, we have newspaper. N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R. Amazing job! Next up, we have notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Wow, you're doing great! Let's keep going with some more challenging words. Necessary. N-E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y. Great work! Neighborhood. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-R-H-O-O-D. Well done! And for our final words, we have nightmare. N-I-G-H-T-M-A-R-E. Excellent job! And lastly, nutrition. N-U-T-R-I-T-I-O-N. You did it! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all of our latest videos on spelling, grammar, and more. Thanks for watching, and we hope you had fun learning to spell these words with the letter N. See you next time.